Hello guys, a new mining video. This is for an airdrop. Now it's for RX coin. Watch carefully. Also, I'll explain some bots. All link will be in description. Also on the first comment of the video. Like you see, this is in airdrop, not mining. This is in airdrop. This is mining. Like you see, this mining can stop in any way. For 1 day, you will get your mining here. Every hour, you get 0.5 RX every hour. Like you see, we will get $17 for free from this airdrop. It's an airdrop. How to do? It's very simple. You join from the link, the first comment. You click in tasks. You do these tasks. You join channel. You follow Twitter, and we visit our their website. We'll get 13 coins for free. We will get coins after launching from the site. I will show you. Must connect your wallet to the site. I repeat, it's an airdrop, not mining. The mining will be stopped in 1 day. Like you see, also there is a bot of NFT and CDEX and other bots all in one link. Will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. Like you see, this is our site. We must connect with Ton Connect. We connect to our wallet. Like that, it will connect to your wallet. After launching, you return to the site, in tasks to the site, and withdraw from the site. You will get 15 RX coin. It's equal to $17 for free. You will get 20 for registration and 13 for doing these simple 3 tasks. That's all. This is a new airdrop. Also, there is bots I will show you about of NFT mining, also Pixel, also other mining. All trusted mining will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. Join my channel, daily earning coin and daily hamster combat cards to get 5 million for free. I have bit connection, like you see. I must connect my wallet. We just choose Ton Connect, like that. It's a meme coin. You must choose Ton Connect. Now it's connected, done. Like you see, it's done. Like you see, it's done. Like this one, like I told you. This is in coin market price. Maybe the price changed. Like see, for RX, it's already listed in many wallet. Like you see, this is the price. If we put 15 like that, we'll get $17 for free. Like you see, it may take 1 week or 2 weeks to get launched. Like you see, this is how it's work. Let's go to other mining bots. You must go to other bots to see how it's work. This is our first bot. This is our NFT bot. Like you see, it's the home page. You enter to the bot, you collect like that. This is earn. You do these tasks to upgrade your to get free coins. Like you see, I claim my rewards. Like you see, must upgrade. You do this donation. This is upgrade. You upgrade your level, increase wallet limit. My wallet limit is 45,000. You upgrade here, you collect coins here. After that, you upgrade your wallet limit here and the capacity vault also. This means you can take it for after completing your wallet coins like that. You collect and you return after a while. You collect two, like you see here. Exchange, it will coming soon, like that. We return, we go to other mining bot. There is Sol extractor bot, like you see. You get free Sol, that will be in the description. Also, there is many other bot, all will be in the link. Don't forget to join all mining bots, the simple bots like that. This is time bot, like that. You complete these tasks. After that, you claim every 4 hours. That's all. Here world coming soon. It will be launched soon. There is many other bots. Also, there is pixel in the link. This with other coins like that here. You collect your coins, you click in fight here, you upgrade your level. After collecting some coins, you upgrade your level from here. When you upgrade, it will increase your daily income. Here you link your wallet. It's very simple. This is how it's work. There is rewards every day. You get your daily rewards here. Here there is daily combo. Here there is tasks. Like you see, you complete tasks to get free coins. Our link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. There is many other coins all listed in my Telegram channel in one link. You just join and get free coins to your wallet. Another tricks will be in my channel, like hamster combat cards daily. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.